Hello, welcome to the Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on application notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22. How to allow our selected application to send us notifications. So, settings, then notifications, and at the top we have app notifications. What does it do? As you can see from this short description, choose which apps are allowed to send you notifications. Let's go here. And here we have every application installed on this phone that is available to sending in our direction notifications. Let's say we want Gmail to send notifications, and we don't want Google. We simply check uncheck boxes right here. Nothing very difficult or complicated. No need to save, just back out. And now our selected notifications are changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.